In the past, having dentures was never a reason to smile. Simply Natural dentures incorporate the individual characteristics of each patient, mimicking your natural teeth. These dentures are specially processed to ensure maximum comfort and fit. Let's find out more about Simply Natural dentures.
Robert, I know you're here for new dentures, but I need to ask you a few questions about your old ones.
Sure.
How long have you been wearing your present dentures?
About 40 years.
What would you like to change most about your dentures?
Well, my daughter brought up the point that when I smile, you can't see my teeth. And I don't know if that's the dentures or not, but I think it probably is.
Do you have any problems eating or chewing?
I have problems with like hard things like apple, or biting corn on the cob, or even chewing steak sometimes.
Are you happy with the color and shape of your teeth?
I don't know anything about shape, but in regards to color, I smoked a pipe for many, many years. And the nicotine's made the teeth darker, so I like to have them lighter if possible.
Okay, Robert, let's take some impressions. Okay, Robert, how do you like this setup, Tryon?
Well, I really like the teeth, but they look too perfect. Is there something we can do that make them look a little more natural for my age?
Well, yes, there is, Robert. We can use a more characterized premium tooth, and we can also rotate them a little bit to make them look more natural. Okay, Robert, these are going to feel different than your other dentures. How do you like them?
These are terrific. They look so natural, they really do. And they even make me look younger, I think.